Are we live? Oh yes, looks like we're live. So, hey everyone, and welcome to Rising Star Trading. Yeah. So, XRP. I wanted to have this little short live stream about XRP only, probably, mainly, because it just looks amazing right now. Maybe I don't understand something. Maybe I misunderstand something. I don't know. But it just looks super good. To leverage trade it, I just opened a long position. Let me show you real quick. So here's my position. I'm still in the reds. It's a small position, as you can see, but XRP just looks wow. And as far as I remember, XRP and all the altcoins, they pump stronger and more intensive than Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin continues its uptrend, I think XRP is gonna shoot well above. So this is my current Bybit setup. Let me go to trading view and to explain why I'm so insanely bullish in the immediate short term on XRP. Of course, only if Bitcoin remains bullish. So let's see. By the way, I slept just 4.5 hours or less, so I'm quite slow. So this is the XRP dollar Bitstamp chart 4 hour chart. Alright? First thing to notice is we are still well above this big trend line that we had since 9th of August. It's still holding strong. We have this parabolic move from back in July, or when was it? Yeah, we went sideways for a bit after the dump. Then we had our bottom on 21st July, and then we went straight up, and we have this beautiful support line, and we are well above it. We bounced off it. So we went down, we bounced off it twice actually, as you can see right here, right, twice, right, 1, 2, 3. 3 times we bounced off this beautiful support line. This is the first thing. So as long as we are above it, we are quite bullish in XRP. Second thing is we also bounced off this other support line, which is also it's almost the same, but it's important to point out, interesting to point out, because if we connect the recent bottoms, then we have this line and we bounced off it many times. So far so good. Okay, now what is amazing about this chart? First of all, look at the money flow on Market Cipher or Market Liberator. It's thick in the green. So as long as we are thick in the green, we are bullish, we're going up. You see, if we are in the red, then like right here, we have bottom times. But the green is bullish times. And the green money flow didn't curve down. This is important. It did not curve down. It just went down for a bit and then it went back up again. So we are again putting money into XRP. So people are betting their money on XRP. We see money coming into the market. If we go to the daily, then you see another cool thing, which is that we just started this green money flow. And usually after we start it, we pump hard. You see right here we started the green money flow after some reddish, after some blood on the streets of XRP city. We had some sideways action, and then as soon as we went into the green area, it was basically the green light for XRP to raise their cards. And we had this nice, beautiful move, which was, of course, our all-time highs of all the altcoins. So, but then it went down, and the money flow went down, and we went sideways. We went sideways, and we had this red money flow, right? And now, look, we went up already, and the green money flow is just beginning. It's just starting. So the huge money flow move. You see, every time we stop the we go every time the red money flow curves up, you know, after it stops, and we begin the green area. First we go up for a bit and then we jump, like right here. We go up for a bit, then we jump. Also here, the last time, as soon as we got into the green, we go sideways for a bit and then we boom, jump. Let's look for more examples. Probably it's not always the case, but no, actually it's very often the case. You see the jump, this big jump happens every time we go in the green, almost every time. Sometimes we don't see it immediately. So right now we successfully closed this red area and we went into the green area right here. Of course, the best buying opportunity was at the bottom, but you can't have it all. So this is one of the very bullish things that I want to share. So first of all, we have this trend line. If we go back to 4 hour, we have this beautiful support lines. Even if we go down for a bit, we're probably gonna bounce off of it. Then we have the green money flow curving up, going up. This is good. Also on Market Liberator, on the 4 hour, you see the green dots printing, which is the trend. The trend is green, so bullish. Okay, I have two another reasons for high bullishness. Of course, I might be wrong. I opened a little trade for XRP. I might be wrong, so no financial advice. But to me, it looks just good. So the next two reasons why XRP I think is really, really bullish and healthy is this. First, I always work with the trend lines. So let me go to 2 hour chart. Here you can see, or maybe even 1 hour. Let's see. Okay, let's go with the 1 hour. So yeah, first of all, you see that the red money flow just stopped, and we are about to enter the green area. That's the first thing. But the trend lines, this is what I wanted to show you. So you can draw this kind of trend lines, like right here. Let me make it white and thick and solid. So this trend line right here on the 1 hour chart, it was the first sign that XRP is about to go up. So usually what happens is this. This is how I try to work the charts. First step is you see a downtrend like this, right? Okay, but when does it stop? So what I've noticed, this downtrend stops usually always after we break the support trend line, which is also going sideways in angles. I don't have the English word, but it doesn't matter. So we have this trend line. Every time it breaks, it's a sign that the downtrend is over. So before this trend line, which was yesterday or 2 days ago, okay, it was yesterday, we had this trend line, and we also had this falling wedge. We had this falling wedge on all coins, and yeah, after it broke up out to the upside, the trend changed to bullish. So before that we went downwards, but after breaking this trend line right here, it's a sign that we are going sideways and then most probably up. Okay, so this was the first sign, this trend line. The second, of course, was the trend line that just got broken right now. This trend line, let me make it thicker. Let me make this thin again, the other one. So look, let me actually make it pink, like this. So this is the trend line that today got broken. We closed a beautiful 1 hour candle above this trend line. You see right here. And not only 1 hour, also the 4 hour. We closed a beautiful 4 hour above this trend line. You see? We closed above it, and after we break these trend lines, they tend to take us higher. So let's go back to the 1 hour chart. So we broke this trend line on 1 hour. It looks good. We're probably now gonna retest and then go up again. But the last super bullish argument for XRP, in my view, is this. In my opinion, it's all just opinion. And maybe the biggest. Look at this huge candle, 4 hour candle. You see it? This 4 hour candle. This is a engulfing 4 hour candle. It's bigger than the previous three closed candles. It's very bullish. It's a good indication of a trend continuation, because the trend changed after we broke this trend line on 1 hour. After we broke this, the trend changed right here. Then it went sideways a bit, and then we closed a 4 hour candle. Let me go back to 4 hour. Then we closed the 4 hour candle above it, and we have a engulfing bullish candle on 4 hour, and also we have this double bottom appearing right here. It's not confirmed yet, but it looks like we're gonna create it right here. So we have to watch this level. As soon as we close above this level on 1 hour and stay above it, then we're gonna shoot up. But to me, it's already right now safe enough to open a position. I opened a little long position. Let me see where we're at. Okay, I'm not in profit as of yet, but I'm quite sure we're gonna shoot up soon. So that's it for XRP. And I didn't even mention the EMAs, baby. If we look at the EMAs, for example, this is, I believe it's the 50 EMA. Not sure. Yeah, the 50 EMA. Look, we are above 50 EMA on 1 hour. Actually, let me check the EMA ribbon. So, right. Yes, look, this is so beautiful. On 1 hour, on 4 hour, probably not so beautiful. Let me go to 4 hour. Oh, actually, also super beautiful on 4 hour. Wow, wow, look at this. Not only we broke above this trend line, which is a confirmation of our new bullish trend, not only did we have a huge bullish 4 hour candle engulfing the previous 5 candles, the bodies of the candles, not the wicks, but also we closed above the 4 hour EMA ribbon. Not the 1 hour, not the 5 minute, but the 4 hour EMA ribbon. This is super bullish, so wow. Every time we do it, even if we go down, we go down into the middle of the EMA ribbon and then we go back up again. Very often, not always, but you can see it right here. Every time we go above this 4 hour EMA ribbon, like last time we did it was mid-July. We went above this right here. We went. We sliced through the EMA ribbon, and then every time we touched it, we just bounced back up, bounce back up. Right here, and then, okay, as soon as we break below it, we didn't even break below it. We just went down, and we bounced back up from the bottom of the EMA ribbon. You know, on the 4 hour, beginning of August. And every time since then, we just dip inside, go back up, bounce. Dip inside, bounce. Touch it, bounce. Boom. And right now, we went deep in it, but we managed to close above it. We closed above it, and even if we go down now a little bit, we're probably gonna bounce. So, okay, I don't know, maybe I don't see something. If I don't see something, or if you see a mistake in my argumentation, my analysis, then let me know. But so far, it looks very good to me. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, let me check a little bit. Check Bitcoin. Let me check Ethereum. I'm still waiting for the retest on Ethereum. To me, this entry position is not ideal. I want to see it go down and then back up. We also see a little bit of bearish divergence on 15 minutes. Yeah, higher high on RSI, lower high on price. So I think this is very likely that we're gonna retest this upper line of the falling wedge on Ethereum. Oh my goodness, I need sleep. I slept only like 4 hours. Really need my sleep. I'm so slow. Actually, I'm worrying that Ethereum might not even give me the chance for a better entry. It might just continue higher and higher. This would be interesting, but I don't think it will just slice through it, because we have here a double bottom coming up. This is the neckline. Let me draw it for you. So we have this potential double bottom coming up. This one, and this would be the neckline, and I'm quite sure that after touching the neckline we'll go down for a bit and then go back up. So yeah, I can't imagine that we just slice through it and stay above it, which would be nice, of course. Actually, on the 5 minute we are probably forming a little, we are forming a very beautiful bullish a little bull flag. Look, looks very bullish actually, because what I've noticed is that these flags, the symmetrical triangles, they tend to break to the upside if the RSI looks like this. If the RSI is going down like this, usually we break to the upside, and the target from this would be, it's not a perfect triangle, bull flag, because the pole is just all smashed and scattered. Probably I should draw it from here. Yeah, it's a little bit ugly, but doesn't matter. So maybe I should open the trade right now already. Okay, let me. Actually, you know what? Let me check the 4-hour EMA ribbon on Ethereum. Yeah, it looks also very bullish. We closed a huge ass bullish 4-hour candle, which is engulfing 4 of the previous candles. This is super bullish actually, but we might get rejected from the EMA ribbon. So the question is for me right now, should I open the long trade right now on Ethereum or wait for the retest like this? If you have some ideas, let me know. Okay, let me. See. No. I don't think I'm opening a trade right now. I want to see this retest. Somehow. Okay, let's see what happened last time after we entered the red zone. After we just entered the red zone, right here. This is a good example. So what did we have here? Alright, so at this point we had a trend line like this. So this is back end of June. End of June, beginning of July, we had this situation. Actually, let me change to market side, market liberator. Okay, so what happened is we entered the red zone right here, and then we went down. Okay, right now we have the end of the red zone. Okay, let's see what happened right here after we broke down and we saw the end of the red zone. Yeah, we just continued down. But this was different because it was what was it? It was a longer period of red actually. Back then we had also some falling wedge or falling channel. So we had this falling channel, and after we broke out of it, we just went straight up. So probably I will not have any more chances to have a better entry. Although, you know, you see right here, after it broke up last time, 21st of July, we had a similar falling structure. As you can see, we broke above it, we went up, how much percent? We went up 7%, then we went down again 7%. You see, we actually had the chance to re-enter right here, black. So it did a little retest on 1 hour. Went up and then down. Okay, let's see what we have right now. Yeah, on 1 hour we went up. Yes, probably we're gonna have the same situation. We're gonna go down and retest like last time. Okay, so yeah, I'm not opening the trade right now. XRP should be going down as well. Bitcoin is going down. Let's see. Yeah, XRP is down because we are retesting. Actually, let's see how much money I could lose if my stop loss gets hit. 6.5% times $113. Oh my goodness. But I'm positive that we will bounce back up because I'm counting on this 4-hour candle. This huge 4-hour candle which engulfed everything before. Let me show you once again. This beautiful 4-hour candle close just looks way too bullish to me. Because you don't have this huge bullish candles without continuation. Look, right here, right here, right here. Okay, we had one, but it was overstretched. You know, this one was super overstretched and overbought, so we had to correct before we continued up. But usually these 4-hour candles, if they are big and engulfing, it says something. You see, right here, doesn't happen right away. Sometimes you have to wait. Also, I have a long limit order. I didn't